Chapter 4, Army Library Steering Committee established. Army Library Steering Committee was established for the ASA, MRAA, Secretary of the Army, approval of the AR 1539 with the Committee Intro of the Army, the Diversity Committee with the reporting Deputy Chief of the Staff of the G1 with the Librarian of the Army, 342 Charter. Purpose of the Army Library Steering Committee to provide ongoing strategic direction for the Army Library program, include with the advice for the recommendation of the Deputy Chief of the Staff of the G1 to promote with the development of the staff of the Army Library program, and serve with the Library with the information and need of the Army with the mostly time and the cost effective with the man with the corn for the Army Library program. Industry, military, standard function of the Army Library Steering Committee with the provide with the professional leadership of the guide with the library personnel with the committee with the provide with the recommendation Army Library program identify the channel with the effect with the library with the recommended solution, recommended improvement of the power of the procedure with the managing of the operating libraries, recommended formulation working group with the draft of the specific project with the issue with the recommended performance specialist standard with the measure with the library activity established and curve with the partnership with the cooperative agreement that ensure the efficiency with the economics with the scale of the management of the library with the information resource, force of the vision of the Army Library with the investigating future of the needs, identifying the future role of the librarian or libraries, maintaining the current strategic plan with the Army Library program, plan training events with the library personnel, composition of Army Library Steering Committee members for the component with the American Library with the different committee with the type of the libraries, others are appointed with the exemption with the approval of the librarian of the Army Library Steering Committee, give the permanent member, the appointed member of the librarian Army with the maintaining the current member of the roster, permanent member of the librarian of the commanding library Army AFC AMC TRADOC USAs, Chief Librarian Installation Management Command G9, Region Library Inter-Installation Management Command Europe G9, Chief Librarian U.S. Army War College, U.S. Military Academy, U.S. Army Command General Staff College, U.S. Army Engineering Research Development, and Army University appointed members. Librarian of the Army may appoint an ad hoc member to serve the specified of the period of time. Army Library Steering Committee based upon operational necessity change of the organizational structure. Command librarians may appoint one member each for the command to serve for the term of 2 years. 4-5. The direction and control of the Army Library Steering Committee will convey with the direction of the Deputy Chief of the Staff of the G1 with the mixing with the 6th meeting held with each official year with a meeting with held virtually in person with the authorized conjunction with the Army Library program training event. Additional working season may held with the needed Librarian Army. The permanent chair of the permanent chair may delegate with the facilitation of the meeting of another member of the appointed of the members will serve with a term of 2 years with a quorum will be 10 members. Simple majority will carry the vote if needed. Okay. Army Library Bill of Rights, Statement of Book Censorship, Interpretation, Library Bill of Rights, Library Loan Code, United States Freedom of Read Statement, and Core Values, DAPE. 215 More Welfare, Recreation, Information Security, Army Command Policy, Career Program Management, Account Library Materials, Military Warfare, Recreational Programs, U.S. Corps Engineering Library, Navy Museum, Historic Resource Facilities, OPM Classification Qualifications, U.S. Architecture, and some USC codes. Section 2 Prescribed Forms, there are none. And this completes the reading of It's Unclassified, so this was the Library's Information Center with the Army Library Program, Army Regulation 3702.